Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Yunita and Putri with NRP 222050005 from Telecommunication A. In this change, I want to explain about heart rate detection tool and environmental condition for field workers using a smart pen based on Raspberry Pi and LoRa with environmental data interrogation. The first one, the background why this device was made is work accident are one of the leading causes of death in Indonesia. Some data show the cases of work in Indonesia increased very significantly. Since January to June 2020, the number of work accidents are increased up to 128%. If this condition occurs continuously, it will be very dangerous for this community. One of the factors that causes work accident is fatigue at work. Excessive working hours and working hours outside the limit can trigger fatigue. So, to overcome this problem, a fatigue detector was made for field workers by analyzing heart rate data, GPS data, humidity sensor, air pressure sensor, and temperature sensor. And then, how this device works is the input process is obtained from PPG sensor in the smart pen to determine the heart rate. And then the BM820 sensor that inside it is detect the temperature, humidity, and air pressure, which can be classified as environmental data. GPS picture of LoRa to retrieve longitude and latitude. Then the data is entered into the Raspberry Pi 0W microcontroller. The next process is data processing on the microcontroller from the sensors. Furthermore, the output process from the system is sent from LoRa to client to the gateway, and then it will forward it to the server using the MQTT protocol. The final result will be displayed on the server computer is heart rate, temperature, humidity, and air pressure value along with position in the form, table, and graphic. The detection result will be displayed on the website where the supervisor had access to carry out monitoring the worker's condition. Last but not least, the result from this project is this device is designed for field workers, especially construction workers, to detect the whole condition of workers. The parameters that used in this device are heart rate, temperature, humidity, air humidity, and worker conditions of work, especially heart rate. If the heart rate of the worker has decreased very significantly, the worker will receive a warning from this device, and the supervisor can take action immediately because the supervisor can monitor the worker location and conditions. So, we can get the conclusion. The first one, sensor reading influenced by many factors like health condition of workers and environmental conditions. Second, condition of worker like physical and physiological will affect the GPM result that read by smart pen. Third, in 5 meters, LoRa and gateway is still connected. Fourth, result error of normal condition is 1, heart rate is 1.323%, and then the pressure is 0.03%, and then the temperature is 1.36%, and the result error for abnormal condition is the heart rate is 1.77%, and then the pressure is 0.001%, and then the temperature is 1.06%, and the sensor reading take time 6 seconds, and the data transfer take time 13 seconds. So we can get a suggestion for this project is first, sensor test point can be placed in variations, so it can be not variation under normal conditions. Second, adding the other sensor variation, so the supporting data as environmental data can be more variations. 3, using the LoRa module type, which is cheaper but has a GPS sensor, so it will be easier to use than having to add a GPS antenna in the LoRa. Okay, so that's my explanation about this project from Siti Nur Homaria. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.